Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
A senior official from the Central Bank of the Russian Federation said it's open to using Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for international payments. Russia has experienced a lot of turbulence on the matter of Bitcoin and mining this past year. Germany's Merck KGaA said it had signed a contract to open a semiconductor base in the Chinese city of Xinjiang, describing it as the largest single electronic technology investment in the country. Oil prices extended gains after the EU agreed to slash oil imports from Russia, fueling worries of tighter market already strained for supply amid rising demand ahead of peak US and European summer driving season. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the euro fall 0.3% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The dollar-yen pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. Japan's Jibun Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0.130 GMT. Australia's gross domestic product at 1.30 GMT. And the US ISM Manufacturing PMI at 1400 hours GMT. Germany's retail sales will be released at 0600 GMT, Dutch Markit Manufacturing PMI at 0700 GMT, and Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.